taking you ages. You still don't get the hint, I'm not asking for pages. But one text or two would be nice, and please don't pull those faces. When I've been out working my ass off all day, it's just one bottle of wine or two. But hey, you can't even talk. You smoke weed just to help you sleep. Then why you out getting stoned at 4 o'clock? And then you come home to me and don't say hello, 'cause I got high again. I forgot to fold my clothes. 'Cause I'm too messy and then I'm too fucking clean. You told me get a job and you asked where the hell I've been. And I'm too perfect till I open my big mouth. I want to be me. Is that not allowed? And I'm too clever and then I'm too fucking dumb. You hate it when I cry and that's just that time of the month. And I'm too perfect so I show you that I'm not a thousand people I could feed for you and you hate the fucking. Clean. You told me get a job and you asked where the hell I've been. And I'm too perfect, so I open my big mouth. I want to be me, is that not allowed? And I'm too clever, and then I'm too fucking dumb. You hate it when I cry and it's just that time of the month. And I'm too perfect, so I show you that I'm not a thousand people I could be for you when you hate the fucking law. You hate the fucking law. Fucking love.